So tomorrow is Valentine's Day. So if you're making some big dinner plans for tomorrow evening.
Let's jump right ahead. So this, folks, again, this is for tomorrow evening.
Right.
We've talked a little bit about Fat Tuesdays, talk about Valentine's around the First Coast, and this is how it's going to look. So again, relative to now, which not only do we have drizzle and temperatures in the 50s everywhere, we have winds, especially out around the beaches. Tomorrow evening, I think the warmth of your loved one may warm things up just a little bit, or at least it's going to be milder and a little more tranquil. So notice Ponte Vedra to St. Augustine, 60, Durban to the Hastings area, 62, maybe still at 65, even after the sun is setting. Temperatures in the middle 60s as you go farther inland. However, if you're going to have a nice romantic meal there from Fernandina to St. Simon's, still going to be kind of damp and kind of chilly, and temperatures in the 50s. But I don't think it will be nearly as damp or nearly as chilly as it is right now, and will be through the evening hours. As we go through the night tonight, not much in the way of rain, but still going to keep some mist, keep some drizzle out there. Clouds all over the place, high clouds, low clouds. What I mean by that is the clouds up in the sky that don't block the visibility, but of course clouds on the ground, fog, that's going to reduce visibility, and we will have that. A tendency for the lowest visibilities, really where the mist will be thickest, will be right along the river and then along the estuaries and out on the islands, right on through the night and then into the early morning hours. Notice as we go through the day on Wednesday, the clouds linger and linger, and you see what I see? Right over here. Remember that although it's very chilly here, over land and near shore, the surf temperatures still in the 50s. Remember, the Gulf Stream is just offshore, about 70 to 90 miles, depending on where along the coast. And ocean temperatures there about 75 to 80 degrees. And the air above about 20,000 feet, it's much more tropical right now. Not only is it warm, but the winds are very light. So that's not me saying a tropical storm is developing out here, but a scenario is developing where, we'll just say, I'll let you look at it. You see that spin there? Very organized area of low pressure will develop. It's actually one of the reasons why it's so gusty along the beaches right now. That's going to head away from us. Just thought that might be interesting to see. Again, for the night tonight, although it's damp and chilly, we're not going to see temperatures drop much below where they are now. And I think for most of us, you're just going to have to believe me on that sunrise, because most of us probably will not see the sunrise. And I'm not necessarily expecting bright sunshine tomorrow. We might see a few glimpses of the sun later in the day. So I'm going to go with dampness lingers. But again, whereas late this afternoon, temperatures are in the 50s, late tomorrow afternoon and evening, temperatures should be well up into the 60s. Let's go beyond just Valentine's and anything else. Maybe have some plans out around the beaches, or maybe just going to be out on the islands. At least tomorrow the winds will not be as strong. So we're going to say winds decreasing tomorrow. The transition day will be from Valentine's to Thursday. Tomorrow morning, damp and chilly, 53. Look at Thursday afternoon, 82 degrees, and that's not even going to be the warmest day. Friday, 84. There are some indications that some areas on Friday might even make it to 87 or 88. On the other hand, it is still winter, although it will be above 40 degrees tomorrow at the Olympics. Snow in the morning, up to 40 during the afternoon.